From the Office of Dewey, Teacham and Howe, case number 5813, factoring quadratics using the AC method. If you recall, the standard form of a quadratic is the function of x equals a times x squared plus b times x plus c. The following steps will guide you through using the AC method of factoring. Step 1. Factor out the greatest common factor, or GCF. Step 2. Multiply a and c together off to the side. Step 3. Find the factors of a times c that add to make b, also off to the side. Step 4. Rewrite the middle term, bx, using the factors from Step 3. And Step 5. Group and factor out the GCF. Let's take a look at our first example. Factor x squared minus 2x minus 48. The coefficient of a is 1, and the coefficient of c is negative 48. We want to multiply a and c, or 1 and negative 48, to get negative 48. Our third step is to list the factors of negative 48. We have negative 1 and 48, 1 and negative 48, negative 2 and 24, 2 and negative 24, negative 3 and 16, 3 and negative 16, negative 4 and 12, 4 and negative 12, and negative 6 and 8, and 6 and negative 8. Next on our list is to find the set of factors that add up to b, or in this case, negative 2x. Our factors are 6 and 8 that add up to negative 2. The next step is to rewrite the middle term using the factors from Step 3. X squared plus 6x minus 8x minus 48. Our last step is to group and factor out the common factors. We group together x squared plus 6x and negative 8x minus 48. Then we factor out the common factors. We wound up with x times x plus 6 and negative 8 times x plus 6. Finally, we can rewrite the equation as x minus 8 times x plus 6. Because remember, what's written in the parentheses is only rewritten one time. Now it's time to check our work. Begin with x minus 8 times x plus 6. FOIL the equation to get x squared plus 6x minus 8x minus 48. Simplifying further, we have the original equation x squared minus 2x minus 48. That matches our original equation, so we know that we did our work correctly. Example number 2. Factor 6w squared plus 29w plus 28. Multiply the coefficients a and c, or 6 and 28, which equals 168. Next, list the factors of 168 and find the pair that add up to be 29. In this case, it is 8 and 21. Rewrite the equation using the two factors 8w and 21w. We have 6w squared plus 8w times 21w plus 28. Factor out the common factors to get 2w times 3w plus 4 and 7 times 3w plus 4. Finally, rewrite the equation as 2w plus 7 times 3w plus 4. Let's check our work. Start out with 2w plus 7 times 3w plus 4. FOIL together to get 6w squared plus 8w plus 21w plus 28. Simplifying further, we get 6w squared plus 29w plus 28. Our work matches the original equation, so we know we did it correctly. Our last example is factor 40x squared plus 30x minus 45. In this equation, we have a 5 that can be factored out at the beginning. So, we have 5 times 8x squared plus 6x minus 9. Now we can multiply our a and c term to get negative 72. Our next step is to list all the factors that multiply to be negative 72 and find the pair that add up to positive 6. Our two factors are negative 6 and positive 12. Grouping our terms together, we get 5 times 8x squared plus 12x times negative 6x minus 9. Factor out common factors to leave you with 4x times 2x plus 3 and negative 3 times 2x plus 3. When rewriting the equation, don't forget about the 5 already factored out in the beginning. So your final answer is 5 times 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. Don't forget to check your work. So we begin with 5 times 4x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. Foiling out our equations, we get 5 times 8x squared plus 12x minus 6x minus 9. Simplifying further, we have 5 times 8x squared plus 6x minus 9. Distributing the 5 through the equation leaves us with 40x squared plus 30x minus 45. Our answer matches the original equation, so we know we did it correctly. Factoring quadratics using the AC method is brought to you by the Scanlon Tutoring Center at Jefferson Community College.